Yo, what up, gearheads and car fanatics? Your boy is back, and today we're diving headfirst into something that's got the whole automotive world buzzing and maybe a little bit confused. We're talking about the brand new, facelifted 2026 Honda Pilot. Get ready, because Honda's gone and dropped a whole lot of changes on their beloved three-row SUV, and guess what? That means your wallet might feel a little lighter. Alright, so first things first, the 2026 Pilot is here, and it's rocking a fresh new look up front. We're talking a whole new vibe that really makes it stand out. But here's where things get wild. While we were all hoping for some carryover pricing, maybe a little break, Honda was like, nah fam. They slapped an extra $2,040 onto the starting price for the Sport FWD model. Seriously? Over $2,000 more? But wait. Before you start throwing your wrenches, let's talk about what that extra cash gets you. It's not just a pretty face, all right? We're talking two slick new exterior colors, solar silver metallic and smoke blue pearl. Plus, they're finally making roof rails standard. Thank you, Honda. You also get a power tailgate, which is always a win. And get this, brand new digital screens for both your instruments and infotainment. No more outdated tech, baby. And for real, Honda actually listened. They heard us complaining about the cabin noise. Remember all those road trip headaches? Well, they've reduced key frequencies by 2 to 3 decibels, and they say they've improved the steering feel and precision. So it's not just a cosmetic job, they're actually trying to make the ride better. That's a W, right? Now, here's where I gotta pause and give a little side eye. All these awesome fixes and additions are great, but with that price jump, you'd think we'd see some fuel economy improvements, right? Like, come on, especially when competitors are going hybrid crazy. But nope. The 2026 Pilot's still rocking the same 19 city, 27 highway, 22 combined MPG for the FWD Sport model. And if you go for the Trail Sport AWD, which is a beast, you're looking at an even thirstier 182320. That's not great. We were kinda hoping for a little electrifying news, you know? Speaking of trims, Honda decided to shake things up a bit, cutting the Touring FWD trim completely. Looks like nobody wanted a FWD Touring model, which fair enough. But the Touring AWD now gets a sweet 360-degree surround view camera system as standard, along with a new brown leather interior option and those sick machine-finished 20-inch shark gray wheels. And if you're balling out with the Elite and Black Edition AWDs, good news, your price jump is way smaller, only $460 more. The Elite gets those new 20-inch shark gray wheels and some luxurious ultra-suede seat accents with diamond stitching. The Black Edition just gets some fresh Berlina black wheels to keep it stealthy. But here's the kicker, fam. When you stack this up against the competition, particularly the 2026 Hyundai Palisade, which is dropping with hybrid options that start at nearly the same price as the base Pilot, uh-oh. The Palisade Hybrid FWD is pulling 313231 mpg, saving you like $600 a year in fuel. Even the all-WD Palisade Hybrid crushes the Pilot. This puts Honda in a tough spot, no cap. We're all crossing our fingers that those rumors about a Pilot hybrid in the next generation are true. Otherwise, Honda, you got some explaining to do. What do you guys think? Is the facelift and new tech worth the price hike even without a hybrid option? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you're digging this kind of real talk about cars, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. You know the drill. Flash. Subscribe to Asphalt 99 for more insane content. asphalt99.com/YouTube. Peace out.